All right, let's build total body stability and strength with the Dumbbell Farmer Carry. This is a powerhouse move for grip, core, and postural control. Start by holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest lifted, and core braced tight. Begin walking forward with small controlled steps. Keep your arms straight, your back neutral, and avoid swaying side to side. Focus on maintaining strong posture and steady breathing. This isn't just a walk, it's an active core and full body engagement. Common mistakes: don't hunch your shoulders, lean to one side, or let the weights bang against your legs. Keep everything upright and intentional. Need a modification? Use lighter weights or shorten the walking distance. Want a challenge? Slow your pace or increase the load for a grip and core burner. Stay tall, stay strong, and carry that strength with control and confidence.